103,000 miles on it. I don't know if it's been rebuilt since I got before, but it runs in good order. I'll go ahead and start it, take off on it with you so you can see that it's in good running order. I'm going to be selling this because I'm upgrading to a 4.0 automatic. So, as you can hear, the engine runs good. Let me turn this down. I'll go through the gears. Transmission's in good shape, clutch, everything's in good shape. I've maintained it. Let me just get going and I'll go through the gears real quick. Just double check everything. This is out of Las Vegas, by the way. It's a 5-speed. That's second, third, fourth. I don't know if I'm going to get to fifth because I'll shift it anyway. That's fifth gear. We're not going fast enough. Anyway, that's about the extent of it. I'm going to timestamp this. I'm taking it in today to get the engine swapped out. So, anybody who's interested.